Automate tasks with JavaScript app. The pros, the cons. Automate tasks with JavaScript app is perfect for those who want to simplify repetitive browser and web-based tasks. Most people get this wrong by thinking JavaScript is only for front-end development, but here's the surprising truth. JavaScript can be a powerful tool for automating data entry, web scraping, and even browser interactions. A major pro of this app is hands-on scripting practice. You'll learn to write scripts that fill forms automatically, extract table data from websites, or trigger actions on web pages. For example, a marketer can automatically pull email addresses from a list of contacts online and organize them in a spreadsheet. Another advantage is cross-platform flexibility. The app teaches how to run scripts in browsers, Nodes, or with automation libraries like Puppeteer, giving you tools to handle both client-side and server-side tasks. You won't believe how much time you can save once you automate even simple repetitive web tasks. The app also includes debugging and best practices. It guides you on handling exceptions, asynchronous code, and error skills essential for real-world JavaScript automation. On the downside, beginners might find asynchronous programming challenging at first, and web page changes can sometimes break scripts. However, the app provides strategies to make automation more robust and maintainable. In conclusion, Automate tasks with JavaScript app is ideal for anyone looking to leverage JavaScript for more than just building websites. By automating repetitive tasks, it boosts efficiency, reduces errors, and provides practical coding experience. With this app, you'll be able to save time, streamline workflows, and gain confidence in JavaScript automation.